Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't going to make a video today. Just been feeling a bit out of sorts recently. My heart was telling me to go out on the bike, but my head was telling me something else, and I just wasn't really sure what was going on. So I really had to kick myself up the ass to get out on the bike today. But the reason I wanted to make this video was because even though I haven't put the camera on till now, I've ridden some lovely country lanes, and I'm really gutted because I wish I'd put the camera on. But look where I am. It's not far from where I live at all. It's absolutely beautiful here. But the other reason is that there's a big change coming to the channel. So stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Let's get back on the bike.
Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no more.
Okay, so as I was saying in the intro, I've just been feeling a little bit out of sorts recently. Like, I know I want to go out on the bike, but my head is just stopping me. It's like I keep trying to come up with excuses. Was that straight on? Yeah. As to why I shouldn't go out on the bike. And it's really frustrating me. I'd be interested to know if any of you have a similar thing every now and again. But it's a really strange feeling. I'm not sure what it is, to be honest. I'm not sure if it's just a bit of a slump that I'm in, or if it's something a bit more. But I knew as soon as I got out on the bike, I knew I'd be fine, and that's the case. And I'm loving being out on the bike now. It's just that initial shove up the ass that I need to get myself out of the house and get the bike out. And I've never been like that before, so maybe it is just a bit of a slump that I'm in at the moment. Fucking cut out here. That was strange. How bizarre. Okay, anyway. So it's only going to be a short video today, because I want to tell you about a big change that I'm thinking of doing with the channel. But I'll tell you about that in a minute, because at the moment I'm gutted that I didn't turn the camera on sooner. I've ridden some lovely country lanes, and these are places that I've never known about, I've never seen, I've never ridden, and they're literally on my back door. So it's been a great little ride today. All I did was I told the TomTom to plan a thrill ride, so it's a loop, and I just followed it, and some cracking little roads. It's amazing what you can find when you just let the sat-nav take you there. It's beautiful today as well. Absolutely beautiful. It's so warm on the bike, sitting on top of the engine. A little bit off camber. But it's beautiful. This weather we've been having, wow. I was going to go out the other week when we had the really hot weather. I think it was about 34, and I just couldn't bear it. It was just too hot. But it is beautiful though. Hopefully it'll last for a little bit longer. So anyway, let's get to the channel. So up until now, I've been making videos just for the hell of it, with no real rhyme or reason really. Actually, no, I'm not going to follow you now. I'm just going to carry on. Yeah, so I've just been making videos for the hell of it. No real direction. So I sat down and thought about what I can do with the channel to make it a bit more engaging and to give myself a sense of direction, somewhere that I want to go in. So I came up with a few ideas, sat down and brainstormed, and where my heart really lies is adventures, you know, just going exploring places and just seeing where you end up. So that's the direction that I'm gonna take the channel. So yeah, I thought about how I can keep myself motivated and make videos that I want to make and that might interest other people. So I'm going to start off nice and slow. And it's going to be about day trips, camping trips, short weekend tours, and it's going to start off in my local area, get to know that, see what roads I can find that are nice, and eventually just building myself up for Europe. So with that new direction does come a name change for the channel. Oh, excuse me. So instead of Ozzy Rides Again, I've decided on a new name with some new branding. So I really want to try and take this seriously. Well, not too seriously, it's still a hobby, but you know, enough seriousness to actually get off my ass and do it. Because you know, eventually one day I'd like to be able to watch these videos back and remind myself of the amazing time that I had on a bike. So what's the new name? So the new name I have decided on will be redesigned on YouTube very shortly, and it's going to be called B Roads to Borders. And that's going to be the new name for the channel. So you'll see that change come in effect soon. And I've also got a website now as well, which I'm starting to build out. Once it's a bit more populated, I'll put a link in the description below the video. But yeah, that's basically it. That's the big news. New name change to the channel, new direction. So if you're interested in little day trips, weekend trips, touring, then if you haven't already, hit subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss a video. So that's what's been happening on this channel over the last few months. That's why I haven't uploaded for quite a while. I wanted to get things sorted out first, and rather than start a new channel, I just wanted to change this channel. So those of you that have subscribed already, I really do appreciate it, because you've stuck around, and that means a lot to me. Those of you that are on the fence, that's okay, you don't have to subscribe. You know, I'm not doing this to gain popularity, I'm doing this for myself mainly, but I want to share my adventures with you, and you know, those people that might not be fortunate enough to be able to get out and explore. So this isn't going to be any kind of cinematic YouTube channel and videos, you know. This is going to be real life videos showing where I go, what I get up to, you know, the flaws, everything. I'm just a normal person, just like you, and I like riding motorbikes, and I want to go and explore the place that I live and further afield. So anyway, that's the news. Hopefully you'll stick around to see what happens next. If you do, thank you very much. And I'm going to leave it here because I'm almost home. Ooh, took that a bit wrong. And I'm boiling. I'm thirsty and hungry. What's this guy doing? No idea what this guy's doing. Where's he going? Lost, is he? Must be. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy the weather while it lasts, and get out on your bike, because if you're feeling a little bit like I was feeling, getting out on the bike is going to make you feel much better. Trust me. That's exactly what I did today, and it's done the world of good to me. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll speak to you soon. This has been Ozzy from B Roads to Borders. See you next time.